Welcome to part 3 of Percepta's Microsoft Copilot training series. Today, we'll look at how Copilot in Excel can help you analyze data, build charts, and gain insights, all without writing complex formulas. Open Excel and look for the Copilot icon in the Home tab or ribbon. Once you click it, the Copilot side panel appears where you can enter natural language prompts. You can ask, summarize sales data by region, find trends in this data set from 2023 to 2025, create a chart showing monthly revenue growth. Copilot scans the data in your workbook and gives you quick summaries, calculations, or visuals. Data summarization. Quickly get an overview of large data sets. Example, what are the top 5 performing products? Formula assistance. Don't remember Excel syntax? Try. Write a formula that calculates the year-over-year growth rate. Copilot automatically inserts it for you. Chart creation. Generate charts instantly. Example. Create a bar chart comparing revenue by quarter. Trend and insight detection. Ask, identify any anomalies or outliers in this data. Copilot highlights them for review. Prompt tips for Excel. Use plain language. You don't need to know formulas. Add context based on this table or for the last 12 months. Ask follow-up questions like, can you explain this trend? Or show me this data as a chart. Copilot in Excel helps you understand your data faster, automate reporting, and reduce manual analysis. It's ideal for project updates, dashboards, or forecasting without deep Excel expertise. Next, we'll see how Copilot brings your ideas to life visually in PowerPoint and Teams.